Is your LinkedIn page ready for the public to view and for people to know who you are? This is your professional presence online, so start with a professional headshot, something clear, well lit, and appropriate for the career you want to be in. Once you're logged into LinkedIn, go to your profile page. Click on your profile photo area to upload or update your headshot. Then, upload a background banner image, something simple, clean, and professional that reflects your field or personal brand. Next, look at the right-hand side of your profile page and select Public Profile and URL. From there, click Edit Contents. Inside this section, update your basic information, your name, location, and current role. Next, focus on your About section. Write a clear professional summary about who you are, what you do, and the value you bring. In your About section, I prefer that you include something about technology or analytics, since these are critical skills in today's professional environment. Then scroll down to Top Skills and add the skills that best reflect your expertise. The basic information, the About section, and your skills are the most important parts to get right. Once your profile is ready, connect with me on LinkedIn. This is mandatory for this course. By completing these steps, you'll have a LinkedIn profile that's polished, professional, and ready to connect you with opportunities.